to my channel Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about flowchart. In this video I will show you what is flowchart, basic symbols of the flowchart. Then I will show you two examples of the complete flowchart of two programs. Then finally advantage and disadvantage of flowchart. Now what is flowchart? Flowchart is the graphical representation of an algorithm. An algorithm is a written text, but we can understand easily by graphical representation. So flowchart is done. It is a program planning tool. We can plan the program by doing some pictures of the flow of the control, flow of the information and processing. So it is a program planning tool. It uses some symbols, then finally link all symbols to show the flow of information and processing. Now let's start. What are the symbols of flowchart? Flowchart starts with the terminal symbol and ends with terminal symbol. So start and stop in this oval shape. And if there is any halt in this program present, then it is also represented with this oval shape. Now input and output. It is input output symbol is represented by this parallelogram shape. Input, when we take input or when we display the output, we use this symbol. Then processing. It is a rectangular shape. It mainly does the arithmetic instruction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, logarithm, square, any type of instruction that is done in this processing symbol is written in this processing symbol. This is rectangular shape. Now decision symbol. Decision symbol is in diamond shape. So if there is any condition where we have two answers, yes or no or true or false, then we have to written this in this diamond shape. This is the decision point. If something happens, yes will be here, no will be here, or no will be here, yes will be here, anything. So this is the decision point and it is represented using diamond shape, and we have to write in this diamond shape to show which decision we are taking in this step. Now connectors. If a program the flowchart of a program continues for 2 pages, so then, or it is a very complex program, then to indicate that it is the connector of the previous page, then we have to start with this circular shape, that this is the connector. So in the first page we will end with this connector, and at the next page we will start with this connector, so we can understand that then this is the connector of the previous page. So it connects the flow. Now flow lines. These are the arrow shape, indicates the flow of information and processing. This can be in any direction to show the flow of control. Now example. Let us have a program. Input 2 numbers, then add them and show the results. We will start with the terminal start, then we will take the input. So input will be in this parallelogram shape. Then again we will input another one, so it is in also parallelogram shape. Then we are doing some arithmetic operation, r equal to I1 plus I2. So this is the processing step. So we written it in this rectangular shape. After that we will display, so it is output, so we are writing it in this parallelogram shape. Finally stop, and then the flow is going in this way. So this is our first flowchart, and after doing this flowchart we can easily write the algorithm of a program. Second example. This is the start. The program is input 2 numbers, then compare them and print the bigger. Then we will have to input the 2 numbers, first number, second number, Then we have to take this decision symbol. So this is a decision symbol. Here we are checking if I1 is greater than I2. If I1 is greater than I2, it is true, then it will display I1. Or if I1 is not greater than I2, that means I1 equal to I2, or I2 is greater than I1. So in this both of the cases it will false, so it will display I2. And finally stop, it is the terminal. So in this case, in this way we can use the decision symbol. So I have shown you two examples of flowchart. Now the advantage of flowchart. It is a better way of communicating the logic. We can communicate with each other by using the graphical representation. It is a better way of documentation, as it is easy to understand also, and it is act as a guide for blueprint during the program design. When we are designing the program, it will act like the guide, and as we can see it in pictures, so it is easy to trace the errors, and after finding the errors, it is easy to debugging the program. And also when we have to analyze the program, we can easily analyze it using the pictures. Flowcharts can be reused with some changes, and it provides the correct logic, as we can see the pictures of the flow. Now disadvantage of flowchart. Flowchart is easy to draw the simple programs, but it is very difficult to draw the large and complex programs with many connectors. And in flowchart there is no standard of how much amount of detail we have to draw in this flowchart. Also, flowchart is difficult to reproduce. Every time it will change as the logic changes. Some developer thinks that it is a waste of time, because if he or she can do the algorithm easily, it is waste of time to draw the pictures of every step, and as it is another step of planning, so it makes the software process slow. And also the main disadvantage of this is that if there is any changes in the software or the program, then flowchart must be redrawn to reflect that changes. So I think you all understand. If you have any queries or need any detail, let me know in the comment section. So meet you in the next video. Till then, try to do your own and practice more. Thank you for watching this video.